Hello everybody, my name is Beth and we are going to talk about how to import overlays onto Streamlabs OBS. Right now I'm using OBS Studio to record this since I have to show you I can't use Streamlabs to record. So first you need your overlays. So I provided some, you can check them out. Just download it from Google Drive, press here, that little arrow, and download all of it. Or you can choose a specific one, right click, and then download. Alright, so once you have your files, you go back to OBS, you press settings, which is this little gear right here, and you go to scene collections, right? And then you have import overlay. Right, now you click it. So I have a lot here, and let's choose one. Since I really like dragons, I'm going to choose that. You can double click it, or you can press it and then press open. Okay, oh, there's the sound for the transition. And as you can see, it's kind of messy. Basically, they put all the GIFs or the images on a certain scene, or yeah, one of these scenes. And you can just fiddle around, like you can change the size, or you can move it around. Okay, and then you look at the starting and the end. Usually they would have these. You can see they already put your social names on them, but it says streamer name, right? It's because they don't know your name. So if you scroll to the bottom, usually you see edit social media. Okay, so this is the blank. They actually just copy this over to these scenes. So you want to change these, okay? And then what you do is you double click it, or you can right click and press properties. Okay, so double clicking is also okay, right? And then you change this. So my name is Beth1. Right, so I hope you follow and subscribe. Thank you. And so it's changed, right? And I'm just gonna change that one. And you go back to starting, right? And they change it for you because it's linked. They copied it over, right? They copy that scene over here. So you just change that part and everything will be changed again. Okay, so that's for the scene and the sources. And I think you know that the transition is kind of noisy. Well, I like to monitor, listen to it, but if you don't want to listen to it while you're recording or streaming, you can press this little gear. It says edit scene transitions. Okay, stinger, which is that transition. And then this part you edit. And for this audio monitoring, okay, so the audience will still hear it, but for you, the person who's recording or streaming, if you don't want to hear it, you can press monitor off. And done. And so when you switch scenes, people can still hear it, but you won't. So it won't be that noisy. Alright, so the last thing would be, what if I want to manage it, like delete it, or if I want to make another one and maybe just change it up a little bit so every time I can switch. Okay, so you manage all. Okay, so it's this little arrow, manage all, and then you can duplicate it. They'll just copy and paste it, another one, or you can delete it. Okay, so I don't really want it, so let's delete it. Okay. Alright, it's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, so this part. And if you want to switch between different overlays, so we have it here, just press on any of these and we'll switch over. Okay, and then so I've worked a lot on this one. This is the one that I usually use, and I already put all the scenes that I want. So what happens if I change a different computer, or if I needed to move away, update the computer? What do? Can I still use the scene if I uninstall and reinstall again? Yes, the answer is yes. So settings, right? Scene collection back here. Remember we had this import? Then we export, right? We export. It means it takes all of this overlay with you, right? So I actually have a lot. I usually change the name to like Beth's and then edited version. And so as long as you have this and you upload it to one of your drives or your USB, then you can use it on other Streamlabs. All right, that's it. Goodbye. So if you have any other questions, you can comment below. I'll try to answer them.